In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in a WhatsApp video call. Screen sharing is really useful when you want to show someone exactly what's on your phone, whether that's a document, a photo gallery, a website, or even how to use an app. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along on your own device. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and make sure you're on the main chat screen. From here, either start a new video call or join an existing one. To start a new call, tap on the chat of the person you want to call. At the top of the chat, you'll see a small video camera icon. Tap that to begin a video call. Wait a moment for the other person to answer, and for the call to connect. Once you're both on the video call, look closely at the buttons on your screen. Alongside the camera and microphone controls, you should see an option that looks like a screen with an arrow. Or it might be labeled Share Screen, depending on your phone and app version. If you don't see it immediately, tap the screen once to bring up all the call controls. When you tap the screen sharing button, your phone will usually show a pop-up message warning you that everything on your screen will be visible, including notifications. This is a good reminder to close anything private and, if you can, turn on Do Not Disturb before sharing. Once you're ready, confirm by tapping the Start or Share option in that pop-up. After a short countdown, WhatsApp will begin broadcasting your screen to the other person. At this point, you can leave the WhatsApp app and open whatever you want to show: your photos, a browser, another app, or a presentation. The other person will see exactly what you see. While you're sharing, you'll typically see a small indicator at the top of your screen, like a colored bar or an icon, letting you know that screen sharing is active. If at any time you want to stop sharing, tap that indicator or return to the WhatsApp call screen and tap the Stop Sharing or screen icon again. When you stop sharing, the call will return to a normal video call, and only your camera feed will be visible. From there, you can either continue your conversation or end the call as you normally would. And that's all you need to share your screen during a WhatsApp video call.